Yeah, it's morning. Morning, everyone. Morning. Morning, Teresa. How are you? How are you guys? Are you guys into space? Market looks kind of choppy, but space looks strong though. I mean, pretty, pretty up. So, I just kind of woke up late, so I haven't really looked into much. But space did really great yesterday, and I think once we break like the 21 levels, we heading to 22 for sure. So it's a good opportunity. If it break 21, we can like right now we are at 2070, but as long as we break that, we are probably heading to 22. So that could be a good trade actually today. So other looks kind of flat or kind of down a little bit. SPY kind of flat. These are the 50 biggest mover. Okay, okay. What else they have? Unusual option activity. Do they have something called price spike? I don't want block trade. I don't want. Can I do like pre-market something? Uh, okay. Kind of looking at like what's there. All right, guys, work. Hey Eddie, how are you? Yeah, pretty much flat. I'm looking at the space. If it is space, I got in, got out like some a few times yesterday. I did not hold anything. I wasn't really like this market, but I'm looking at. I think space right now is around 20, kind of going down. But I was looking at this area. So once we break 21, we should head to 22. So that's $1, and it's pretty cheap. So, but I'm not getting it right now, just cause market is kind of flat, iffy. Like it's a flat, I would say, not down, but pretty flat. Tesla is down, uh, but I did show a lot of credit spread yesterday. So uh, I don't know if you guys sell credit spread, that's a good way. For example, this one, right? This one is paying for 18-day, almost like I got like 125 or something per credit. You do need 500 collateral, but my thesis was like 45 was good resistance, so it's not going below 45. So I was selling at 45. So yeah, yeah, that's what I was doing. But how are you, Eddie? I haven't seen you in a while. Busy? And there are some tickers I'm gonna kind of look. Yesterday I was making yesterday. Um, so Let me see where they are. Okay. I don't know. Beyond kind of failed, I think. Still in a good like. So it actually did not went and kind of making like a handle. So, oh wow, wow, Jesus Christ, 162. Oh man. Oh wow. I was about to look at Beyond and I thought like yesterday it kind of failed so below that but today it's like I guess they had some PR news or something but keep an watch on Beyond though. I mean if it runs I'm still looking at like maybe breakthrough of 65. I think breakthrough of 65 could be a very big move for Beyond. Uh, and if you want a small I think you may actually get in right now too. But I don't know what was the news but looks like they're up like huge Beyond like really up. Look at AMD. Hmm. This gap I'm kind of removing since we are not filling that gap anymore. Looks like we'll probably fill sometime later. But this channel kind of it broke through the channel. So 77, 79, and okay, so where we don't have much resistance, so probably 81, 82. Okay. If you hold again, market has to give, but watch out. That's another one I was kind of looking for, cause we can test like at least 87. We are hovering around in this line, and seems like that's a good support. Like it did not wanted to fill the gap, so very good support around 74, 75. So this could be pretty decent, decent play. Apple, I told like 110 plus. We are bullish and pretty good. Like if you enter yesterday at 12, 13, that looks good. Oh, another one was MA. Okay, so we did hold that resistance and gapped up. So we broke that trend line. We are in up. So as long as this holds 38, I like this for a swing actually. Okay, okay. So I like MA here, but Beyond, watch out for Beyond. When it fly, it literally fly really, really, really well. So another one, GD. Okay, okay, nice channel. So it's kind of curling up in this channel too. Yeah, yesterday could be a good breakout of channel. Is that its all-time high? 5 years? Oh wow. So GD was like 50, yeah, and we went to 20. Oh man. Oh, that was. And this March we went to 30, 35, and 76. This looks good, but yeah, I'll just do like that. So this kind of holding it. Okay. All right. Let's look at. Okay, hey everyone. Sorry, I was kind of looking at. I'm gonna look into the also docu. So let's look at the let's look at the news was that they will triple their. Wow, wow, that's a huge news, Marcos. I think like Beyond, when it Beyond runs, like it just flies literally from 60 to 160 to literally it goes 200. You probably guys. So you gotta. Was Tesla Q3 do? No, no, no. Tesla is. I think it's on Friday. No, not yesterday. Tesla was not. But let's look at the docu. Uh, docu is 213. Yeah. Oh, I thought like he meant we already grabbed, but that's what I was looking for. Key area 18. See, like a lot of resistance right around that area. So yeah. So that's my area. So I'm looking at this area like 17, 18. So once we break this, then we can lot of resistance right around here. Once we break this, we can literally go to we'll go to 30, 38, yeah, 36, 38. So that's the key area, but we are below that. I thought we are up that, but that's what I see in docu. Other than that, we are in the still in this zigzag channel, so we can, I think at least we can try to test this 18, but we need to break that 18 19 level, then only for the upside. But if you look at that, if you play it like this is holding really good support, like kind of resistance broken, but look at that support is holding really good. So there's a lot of buyers in 187 188. So I don't think we're gonna go in a week like down here. So i I got some put credit spread around 90 95. Let's see how that go, but seems so far pretty good. But let's see what else I have. So that was for docu news. Okay, beyond is a beast, man. 160, man. Beyond can literally fly. Look at that, it was a nice upward channel too. It's making like nice upward channel right here on hourly. Yeah, look at that. 19, 48, 32, 60, 39, 61. And we just boom, we open up here. Yeah, I think at least we can. So that was for beyond, and let's look at the Tesla wasn't there. Good morning, morning guys, morning. Micron and Pepsi. Micron. Let's look at Micron. Uh, Micron. So that's a gap up, but let's look at daily for Micron. Yeah, Micron is also holding that 42 level really well. One thing is Micron is slow. If you are doing option here, I don't know. I wouldn't really like unless they have a good news or some catalyst. Usually they are very slow, right? Like unless I mean it. So those are really bad. But if you do credit spread, it's pretty good idea. But if you do debit spread for those, it's a premium. Like yesterday it was like 0.58, not much move. Today it's like a little bit down, so it may flat. So your theta is killing you, you know. Again, premium will be a little cheaper, not higher, but when that happens, because you want a good move on the upside or downside. So um, I don't know, not a great for options, and I don't think they have a huge volume too. uh, the stock volume is 18 million. That's pretty good, but not sure how is the option volume. Can we see something? Maybe you can look at some. Oh, they have some conference call today. Oh, they have earnings today. Okay. So earnings is, yeah, if it's earnings, but seems like they're not even freaking running for earnings. So they may run up to earnings, but earning is again hit or miss. If they do something bad, or even if their guidance is good, I would be very cautious about earnings. It's a gamble. It can go either way. It can really bump up. Maybe they had some great earnings and great estimates, or it can just literally deep dive. So be careful about that. Looks like they have earnings and everything. But yeah, it's a great company. It's just like slow mover. But let's see how it does. What else we have? What else we have? Ticker DT daily chart. It's a bear flag. Yeah, it was a bear flag, but I don't think we dropped. So if you look at this, I wouldn't say like long flag, but if you look at this, yeah, that's a bear flag. But we didn't really drop like this. Hold it really nice. So this level, yeah, around this level, 38, hold it really cool. So we are holding it, and we are up pretty much. It should have been. Sometimes it just kind of get extended, but looks like pretty up. So yeah, at least it's, if you get in, at least you want to put like your stop loss right here. But uh, yeah, it looks like a bear flag right here, bear flag. But pretty much everything was bear flag. Then we popped up. So uh, market kind of forgot. But yeah, it is a bear flag though. Handle flag pull flag, pull flag. A little bit bigger, but yeah, you can still call it. But I think we are holding this label pretty fine, so should be good. Is that the head and soldier? Yeah, bro, how are you? How are you, Bilal? BA will have a pullback this morning. Let's look at BA. I haven't looked at BA. I'm in BA. I have literally four leaps. Oh wow! As you said, it did had a pullback. See, that's why you gotta look like, one thing is like when you are up nicely, just sell it. Don't be greedy. Like you can hold it, but if you hold it, then you lost like a lot of the amount, right? And if you are positive, better than buying yesterday, today would be good opportunity if you are swinging for a long term. So but yeah, always take profit. That's what I tell everyone: take profit, take profit. But yeah, a lot of people are taking profit, and as I said, uh, market was not that strong yesterday. Let's look at the beyond. Yeah, keep an eye on beyond, like 163, 64 with good volume. I'm getting in. I mean, you guys all can decide, but beyond looks really strong. It's already six. Oh wow, time to get in, looks like. Kind of rejected, but keep in watch. I think 163, 64, once you break out that level, then we can literally head higher. So beyond really moves really up. So keep an eye on that. But other than that, okay, space. I'm looking at 21. So space is also selling off. But see, there was a resistance. See, look at that. It it rejected that one yesterday, and it's kind of rejecting today too. See, that's why you gotta make your area. So that's why you don't just enter cause yesterday because we rejected. You enter confirmations. A lot of people say like, why not enter here? It's cheaper here, but you don't know it's gonna go up. It may go. It can become more cheaper, right? So yeah. So morning, Neo. Snap, Square, Snap and Square. Okay. Yeah. Morning, Alpes. Yeah. Oh, nice, Scott. That's awesome. My lips are up. Um, I haven't sold it, but yeah, I have sold. So what I have done is like I sell calls on leaps. So what I did was yesterday, basically when BA was around, I forgot the name. So yesterday when BA was around 66 or something, 66, 67, I sold leaves for 180. I mean, I sold weekly calls for 180, and it was paying me almost like 120 or something, 100 plus. I forgot the exact name, but that time it was almost 100 plus. So I had four. So I just made 400 just doing that. And it means I'll just sell it if it reaches 180. I mean, I'm fine. It's 160, so I'm already making like 3 4K per leap. So that's like 16,000 and leap plus I'll make 400 extra. So um, I mean, I'm fine selling everything at that point if it reaches. Yeah, and if it doesn't reaches, I can just kind of repeat to 90 or something if it reaches near there. Else, I'm fine holding it because once they have max news, they should go up to like at least 200 in my opinion. But yeah. So, so a lot of people say, "Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that!" I told you guys, right? So I don't know if you guys got in, but Beyond, look at that! Beyond is a beauty now, man. Beyond is a beauty. Nice, 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 nice. Yeah, 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 yeah. It will go. It will go. Yeah. Yeah, Beyond was a good one. Yeah. PAY. Yeah, I think PAY. I like PA. I I could not remember PYPL. I could not remember this ticker, man. Yeah, I think yesterday Anthony was kind of telling to get in right around. Yeah, it was kind of head and shoulder. If you look at shoulder, head and shoulder right here, and he was telling right around 190. So if you are up 92, I can see going to 95 next level. That's what I see. So looks good. I like people. People create company. Yeah. But one thing is like if you look at the market not really good, pretty flat, which is great for me. I sold a lot of put credit spread, so uh, pretty much I had one Tesla, which is good. I want it to go down. I may actually close those, but Beyond looks up. I'm 30% up already in Beyond. Jeez, Beyond was like that high. Uh, so let's look at my credit spread. Okay, that's awesome. Uh, today's data is good. Okay, looks good. Apple's good. Facebook is doing good. Facebook, yeah, Apple 115 plus will be good. Now from is good. Work is good. Okay, that looks good. 10,600 is not bad. If I go 500, that would be nice. No trade today. Okay, right. So BA is holding pretty good, 165. I mean, yesterday we ran up really high. Beyond 70 call expire 10 to average cost. Okay, that's not bad actually. 72. Yeah, if it runs like, yeah, yeah, probably don't. I mean, unless it moves really high. My plan is not holding it. I'm just day trading. But have your plan. But beyond was really strong. Yeah, 65. Yes, yeah, we are going there. It's hovering in 65, 66. So I think we can actually go 72. Yeah, it was almost 6 7%. I think when it runs, it can run literally like 12 14%. I think it will be runner in my opinion. Okay, let's see it. Yeah, 70 was not bad. I mean, again, you're not risking too much, couple $100, so pretty decent. Okay, so what else? Okay, DKNG. I haven't looked at DKNG. Oh wow, this is good. This is good. Look at that. See, when it drops, you don't buy. I buy. So we literally not a pretty one, but um, yeah, it's kind of downtrend finish. Then if you look at that, I when I see this, I don't want to get in here because I don't know. Maybe this looks a little bit sign, but I want to look it. I will see like breaking all time high again. And look at that. 55 was yesterday. Yesterday was a great point actually. I didn't notice, but 55 was great. And today, look at that. 58. These kind of makes like you make a high, a little bit consolidation. It's a good thing actually. Like it make consolidation. Nothing can go then it will just fly down. But look at that. My previous entry point I called like in a live too was again this one. Like touches that, break through it, and nice consolidation, right? I had some leaps right around here and got few calls. I sold everything at somewhere around here. I don't know, remember, but I was happy with my profit and everything. So leap I got in cheap because I believed in the company, and call just because of the breakout. And I sold everything right around somewhere, and we had a sell off. But yeah, I was happy from 45 to 50 to 53. I was happy I sold it. So yeah, I think I showed you that chart, right? We expect it to go but it goes here and we sell it here. So but yeah, beyond it was a great yesterday. Today too, I mean, you can get in. Okay. Got in beyond 170 calls. That's awesome. BUTZ. I have no idea what is that. Pretty good performance. They paid dividend too. Uh, oh wow, they got a huge volume today. So I guess they have some news or something. Wow, they had a massive volume today. Average is like 1 million. Oh no, that's a K. Sorry. I was thinking that's a million. No. Uh, but look decent in an uptrend, gapping up every day. I don't know what's the news or whatever, but I have no idea about artificial intelligence ETF. Well, it's a tech company. ETF is always a good bet, so that's good. So usually, I don't know why there's going. What's the news? But looks good though. Looks good. Looks good. Uh, Clearly in uptrend, we have the kind of sell off. Everything kind of down, then kind of started. But once you break this all-time high of 28, 29, we can move higher. But it's been doing pretty good though, like 23 to 27 slowly. This is a nice chart actually. Like it's not skyrocketing, but slowly consolidations in a step. It's good. Looks good. Okay. Yeah, if you guys have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, so what else you guys watching? Facebook over 269, start making its way up to 265. What the heck? Trevor Milton just got sexual assault charge. Did not hear that. So VXX dumping, I heard. Uh, where are we? Yeah, Beyond is 68. Beyond has literally, so this is nice. So Beyond literally, see, now I'll just do my rectangle. Now it's literally crossed that thing. So that was 167. So, oh, we are at 168, right? Yeah. Oh shit, I forgot Fastly, man. Fastly was mine was ah, crap. So many tickers to keep up sometimes. I'll sell beyond if it reaches like 70. Uh, oh my god. 95 was my level, man. 94, 95. It's hard to keep up with all this. We do have some resistance right around here, but I think we're going to 102. Jeez. Fastly gives so many opportunity to get in at like 76, 77. That's how is frog. Yeah, frog is new. Okay, okay. Pretty flat. Mm, I'll be out on beyond like okay, almost. I'll probably get out at 60, 70. It can run up to 13, 14% if you look at that, but yeah. So once it reaches 40, I'm gonna out. pretty much out of beyond. I have few left, but yeah. So, okay, AMD, Netflix, and Jim Drop. Okay, yeah, same things. We are in that. This is the major channel, so we have supported around 65. We had a good resistance around 509, so 500 I would say that's just the natural, so there's some support right there. Like yeah, there's some, but we are kind of struggling. So once we bridge 500, we definitely see for 510, 58, 510, but we do need to bridge it. Yeah, behind that I don't see any strong, but it's kind of flat market. For those like you need some kind of news, stimulus, or anything, and today is really flat market and it's just not going anywhere. It's a good idea. I think we at 159, but we did not close it, so that's good. So I think 165 is a really good support. So I don't know. I just want to see 165 how much they pay. What do we call it? I just wanted to see how much they pay in premium if I sell credit. Okay. So yeah, pretty much flat and it's not even moving. And look, like whole market is really flat. Just the beyond, like beyond is kind of oh, almost. I think beyond is really strong though. Look at that. Yeah, Beyond is really strong though. That was a nice, good play on Beyond actually. I'm pretty much out. Anyway, uh, so Eddie, so did you sold your Beyond? Like you should be pretty good, right? 170 to call. You should have probably made. Oh, okay. Yeah, cool. See, that's what you do, right? Think about like you made like $100 just within few minutes, like chatting or having fun, and now you don't need to worry about when you are in trade. You need to worry about it can go down, up, anything can happen, right? You take a profit, that's great. If you had like 5 or 10, you made 510, like $1,000, and you are done with it, right? So more you are in, more risk you have. But yeah. Okay, Facebook, Netflix. I kind of looked into is Facebook, uh, BMY. Okay, BMY in Facebook. I'm gonna look into Facebook. Good. I sold put credit spread for Facebook. So yeah. So yeah, I'm looking at 161. Kind of clear. It's a zone. So once 161 clear, we can literally go to 165. So that's a near. That's the next one. Yeah, we tried to fill the gap, but we never filled it. But we are going up. That's awesome. So yeah, slowly it's going. I think once we go 161, we are heading to 166. It may not happen today as the market is pretty flat. So whenever market is strong, this stock a lot of buyer come in then sells. But today Facebook looks pretty good, but market is iffy. So um, not a great, but I think everybody is probably like today's presidential debate, right? So that's why that's what happening. um, I think everybody is like not sure how it's gonna happen, so that's why it's just a flat. They are waiting for it, that they want to see clear direction who do well. But let's see. uh, yeah, Facebook is curling up, but 161 above, I think you can literally go long. So if it hold this, so we still in that range, but yeah. Costco and BMY. I don't know who called me, but let's. That's a junk mail. Um, Costco. Oh wow, Costco is slowly going up. Okay, so we are up. So next resistance is 53. So next resistance is 53. So we are up. Next resistance is 53. Then we have almost 60 whole number. And once you do 60, we're gonna test all-time high of 63. Yeah, it's curling up. So next resistance, once we cross 53, we will head to 58. But this is nice, like some consolidations, like up consolidation, that's always good. Whenever a stock, like I don't like when it's go up and up. When you have consolidation, it creates a base, it creates a good support and resistance, kind of gauge it. And look at that, lot of volume coming in. Wow, that was a huge volume. So lot of volume coming in, so that's a strong sign too. Look at this, even it's a down day, I mean we gap down I guess, but volume is really good. Okay, there's a lot of interest in Costco. Looks like they had their earnings. Okay, from, okay, that's an earning run up. Okay, we didn't go down. So yeah, Costco looks strong actually, looks really good. Yeah, Costco is pretty like 155 billion. That's, they do. Whenever I go to Costco, they always packed, man. I mean, look at their parking lot. No matter what time, what day you go, always packed. So that's a good sign. Okay. So looked into Costco. BMY. Oh, Bristol Myers. Okay. Haven't looked into this in a while. That's nice. Something new. Look at that. There's a key level, so which holding really well. So if you got in this one, see, multiple. If you got in this one, great, like already up. We are in a channel. So that's the next one. Oh no. So we had the small restaurants right here. Seems like we kind of break through. Still there, but we had some restaurants right around here. So we had some restaurants right around here. We are looks like above. So if you close right here, and if you support this, I think you can long in actually. Then we can see 62 and 64. Yeah, that's where I see. It's a good company. Bristol Myers, good company. Pay a 3% dividend, pretty good. And if you look at their 5-year chart, I think we are like pretty good price. Pretty good price. Look at that. Look at that. That's a perfect resistance right around 68. So nice downward channel. Then we had upward. Okay. Swinging right around July 42 to 66. That's a great. So these company, like if you find like good base and everything, that's a good sign. Awesome, Christopher. You just wish they were just pulling back. Tune next time and how I lost my saving. Tune in next time on how I lost my savings. Even one thing is like yeah, a lot of times those news kind of runs for a day or week or whatever only. So space was I was looking at like 21, but kind of died down today. Literally, I was looking at this label, but we died down. So we can literally come down and fill the gap. There's a massive gap from 16 to here. So yeah, not much action in there. So people forgot the upgrade and it's a back to normal. But Christopher, congrats. That's good. 250 is 250. Neo, uh, Neo. Tesla is kind of hanging down, and I'm not sure where is in this cup or were you looking at daily? I don't see a cup in daily, but definitely we are above our 19. So that was my key area. We are see yesterday we closed right there. Today looks like I didn't watch, so I don't know if you gapped up or whatever. Oh no, we opened here. So that was a good play actually. I was kind of telling from 19. After 19, we can literally go to 20, then 21. It doesn't move that high, but yeah, we are above 20. That's a bullish. That was my key label before too. Not sure where you see key and cup and handle, but I don't know. I don't see cup and handle. Like if it's like 4 to 8 week, that's really great. Like nice consolidations. Then it kind of comes coming up with the volume and good breakout volume. But volume is kind of dying down. So, Alpes, what is fifth largest food chain? I'm kind of lost. I don't know. I don't think we covered any of the food chain. At least I'm not aware of. But yeah, dump is going on Piedmont Lithium. Yeah, yeah, yeah. If you are selling weekly, like if you are selling, oh, not Costco is not a fast food chain, right? They're a retail store. I mean, I don't know, like grocery store. They're super. I mean, I don't know. I won't say fast food though, right? They're not the fast food chain. Uh, I wouldn't say fast food chain. I mean, they sell fast food, but that's probably like there's really like one of the. They're a wholesaler. They're a wholesaler. I wouldn't say fast food chain. I don't think Costco comes under fast food chain. At least that's what I think. But yeah, you can call it fast food chain, I guess. But they're a wholesaler. They sell more raw material like than the fast food prepared. But anyway, that's not the topic. But yeah, new. Let's see what everyone looking into. People is going strong. Nice, nice. People doing really good. Looks like SQR. Okay. Can you check AL? I'm learning stocks. Thought new couple. Okay. AL. Hmm. If they're one of the largest pizza chain, that's surprise to me. I did not knew about that. Could be. I mean, they sell like good pizza. I just wanna see. That's could be. Huh. I don't know, but Domino's, Pizza Hut, Little Caesar, Papa John's, California, Pizza Kitchen, Papa Murphy, Marcos. Okay. I don't know how correct it is, but this doesn't list. This is 2010, 2018. It's just my habit. I wanna fact check everything, but it's Costco doesn't even come. Godfather Pizza. Yeah, I was. Costco is not even here. Anyway, I was just curious. I mean, they sell good pizza. I like Costco pizza. They're cheap. They're good. They're even good, better than the expensive pizza. It could be just me, but yeah. Anyway, let's forget that topic. But Yeah, look at Neo. Neo getting really good volume. Neo going to 20, man. Yeah, Beyond kind of dying down, and it looks like it's kind of moving to Neo. But look at that. That's a monster candle. Kind of made a flag too. Big one with the gap. But oh man, Neo was like perfect opportunity to get in like 1564 5, almost $4 within few weeks. Let's see, let's see. Yeah. Okay. Um. Okay, I thought Pepsi was breaking down. I saw break of the upward. No, it's not the line. Okay. Anyway, let's leave it. But Pepsi. Let's look at Pepsi. Hmm. It broke that downward channel. So downtrend. They just broke on 131, 130, and from there it went really high up to 140. I see some resistance. Pretty much okay. So if you look at the recent resistance, 140 plus, they can literally go 140 to 43. So if you break 140, that could be good. If they break 140, it could be good actually. So that's some resistance right around here, 140. I'm looking at the recent, like I'm not looking at the way back, just the recent one. But once we break, we can literally go 142. And I was looking at something else. What was I was looking? Where is BA? Okay, BA is hanging around that 163.64 area. Tesla is going down a little bit slowly. Uh, SPY and QQ finally green. Yeah, Beyond is kind of stalling, like so. But Beyond, like nice run Beyond, right? We grabbed probably like few people's grabbed around 62, 63, went up to 68, 69. So that's done. Oh, I didn't know that. Baba. See, Baba, I already have my Jones, so 268, that's my support, and we are at 70. There's some resistance right around there actually. There's some resistance right around 78, 79 area. Once you pass that 80, yeah, 81, 82, then we are heading to 90. Once we pass, so it would be like, I think more than this could be just kind of, once we cross 81, 82, we can literally go to 90. So that could be a good trade actually. But again, good support right here. And I wanted to see Netflix, like how much they pay. So if you go to Netflix, okay, probably not, but so 65 was it? I think 65, right? Okay, that's not bad actually. If you go, hmm, well, 65, 60. Even if you go 60 and 50, 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 60 and 50 So if you go sell put this and buy put 50, how much I'm getting? 41. Not a huge, but pretty good chance of winning though. If you sell, that's $100. I may try to sell this. So this is a credit spread. So I'll make money if Netflix is above 460. Uh, so that's a week. So we have 4 days remaining. So that's not bad actually. I don't think we go there, Netflix. So I'm selling puts 460. Buy put 450. Okay. If it execute, execute. Small money, but it's all adds up. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Micron, nice. Micron already up 50, so looks like the earnings run is doing pretty good. Okay, Carvana next week will not go up above 490. Yeah, it's hanging like so. I'm not sure if it's gonna go 490, but what my tells it's not gonna go below 460. That's why I'm playing. I'm fine if it goes if it's if it's up 460 by this week. I'm good. So that's what I was doing. But Carvana, man, I've missed Carvana. I was trading this from like $30, man. Now it's like, oh my god. Jesus Christ. How is there even making money? I'll probably get in if it breaks like that level all time high of like 32, 33 with the good volume. But man, these are massive. So was there earnings or something? I don't know. Oh, I think they had some release, but look at that. They went from 73 to wow, that was a massive, massive. So they sold it off, then went up right back there. But look at this. They were like $20 on Mars, man. Crazy, crazy. Oh, and the earnings there like literally went to oh wow. Crazy, crazy. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it could be. It could be Jason. It could. It could. But I'm just kind of, so my thesis was like, yeah, market definitely can drop and you can probably make more tomorrow too. But for Netflix, for example, like I've been watching and 165 was holding, so I got 160. So but I, I always have more than like 60% cash, so I do have, so maybe I'll add tomorrow. But I'm doing pretty conservative mostly. But yeah, market can drop actually. You are correct. Yeah, the thing is like people say Marcos like everything is priced in, but if you look at that, I mean, if everything was priced in, why did the Beyond had like a massive run today? I mean, 12%, that's a massive run, right? 12% in the stock, almost 10, 12. So yeah, but again, I totally agree with you. Take profit. Like whenever you are profitable, take profit. If you hold it, there's risk. So yeah. But news, like it can run sometimes like multiple days. Can it go to 60 so that I can buy back some BA? How's the airlines? AL probably selling off today. Okay. And Delta. And I have some, what do you call it? Silver. I hope Silver doing good. Oh, wow. Okay. Finally, huh? Okay. I guess Silver course is kind of done now. So from here to, okay, here. Can it go right here? Then I'll start selling. Yeah, we had a massive, massive drop. This was like massive from $2 or something, but slowly we are kind of curling up. So that's a good sign. One thing I don't know if you guys noticed, but silver all time. I was kind of looking. Look at this. I mean, a lot of time history repeats, but so this is in 2010. Okay, we crashed on 2008. Then we kind of, but if you look at this 2010, 1 2 3 4 5, these are monthly, so 5 months here. 1 2 3 4 5, exactly 5 months. Then we had a pullback, bigger than this month here, also bigger than this month. If you look at this, we may close kind of make it like smaller too, don't know. But if you look at that, then after that we had a massive 3 months. So I don't know, a lot of time history repeats. That's why support and resistance works. But if this repeats, man, I mean, nobody knows. Again, I'm not telling you to just get in, buy everything in silver, of course, but this is what a coincidence I was noticing. Like, literally went from 27 till 47. Wow, that's like amazing. So, I may hold. So, it was in April though. Okay, so different months, but then we had a big drop sell off too. Yeah, but it's quite interesting. Let's see where we end up in the this month. Did Neo burst through 20? Wow, that would be huge. Yeah, it did. It did. It did. It did. Yeah, Neo busted. Thank you for reminding. Okay, okay, okay. Man, you literally. I a lot of times you just miss the ticker, but 19 was a good trade. I mean, I think when we were talking, like it was 19, 20, 23, so did a nice move up, but yeah, Neo was a massive. But that was a good move. Anyway, what else, guys? If you guys have anything, just let me know. Otherwise, yeah, I'm gonna say bye. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. But yeah, and if you have any questions or any video you want me to make, let me know. But yeah, it looks like VXX, cause market is kind of iffy, so maybe VXX is flat too. I want to get in. Okay, 42. Okay, that's nice. So one thing I wanted to do is I may actually buy VXX literally. So when we are low here, it was low was 23.88. So we are 24, 24, 23.64. So I'll get one VXX 2 months out. Always work. I'll maybe add it. Oh man, I should have got it right around 50, but let's see how much I'll get September, October, maybe November or December. Number 20 sounds good. Buy call 20 is not bad. 555, 560. Okay, I put an order. If it executes, executes. 20 call 1120 for 560. I'll sell like premium every week, so if it gets executed, executed. But that's what my plan is since it's pretty low. Because we have noticed like whenever it goes this level, it always bounces back. It's slowly curling downward though, so we may kind of do down, but yeah, looks like it executed. Awesome. But other than that, looks good. But what else? That's awesome, Marcos. That's good. That's always. It works. I'm already up 3%. That's awesome. It's a quick money. If you have 100,000 in VX, that's 3,000. But anyway, all right, guys, see you. Have a great day. If you have any question or comment, do write it down. I go live every day, so put that bell button so that you guys know. And yeah, if you have any more questions or comments, let me know. But that's about it. I have a lot of videos about how to choose what to do and what not. Watch them, and if you have any question, comment there. But other than that, have a great day. See you guys. Thank you, Marcos. Thanks everyone.